Hey English learner, how's your English learning going? I hope it's going well. Today I want to share with you how I learned English. Although I'm still learning English, I haven't mastered yet. You can notice my progress by listening to my speaking skill. So I don't think I need to hide this. So I just share here what I learned. This is also part of a language learning. It helps a lot when you record yourself in a language that you are learning. It's quite helpful because while recording yourself you notice all of your mistakes, your mispronunciations. So if you're learning English, you can do this also. Recording yourself is quite helpful. So language learning takes time. It's not happen overnight. So my language learning journey started from watching and consuming a lot of English content on social media. And the fun fact is, at that time, English learning was not my goal. I was just enjoying things that I like. And that's helped me to become a good speaker. I think I'm close to become a fluent. So at that time, when I was enjoying and consuming a lot of content on social media, I was really not aware about that I'm learning English. And why am I sharing this with you? Because it said actual learning is when we are not learning. So if you're learning something, you have to immerse yourself with that thing. And second thing that helped me is my curiosity. So I'm the person who always chases knowledge. I always want to know everything that I see. Sometimes it gives me headache, but it's quite helpful if you're learning something new or exploring something. If you have really kind of quality that you are blessed. So if you don't have, you can practice curiosity also. So my curiosity and my willingness to learn have been key to my progress. So whatever you learn, it needs a willingness, eagerness. Until you're not willing to do it, no matter how many easy tricks you try or explore to learn anything or learn English, it's not going to work. Because so many people have proved it. If you're learning something with your willingness and eagerness, there's a 80% chance that you won't fail. So people who are learning English, it's just because of their need, they find it difficult to learn. Because they just work and study on learning English. They don't enjoy the process. So if you're learning English or any other language, don't be too serious. Just make it fun. And it will become easy to learn. And I don't have a very long list to share with you my English learning experiences because I just tried these things, these simple things. So my English learning secrets are very simple. Listening, watching, writing, lot of thinking, and talking to myself in English. And I still practice them today. So all these things are my habits. I never did it for purpose of learning English. I remember the first movie that I watched was La La Land. And the first song that I listened was My Heart Will Go On. And the first English speaker was spiritual guru, who's Sadhguru. And I listened his lot of podcasts to clear my concept and ended up with English learning. And the first Chinese drama that I have watched was Go Ahead in English. It was in English dubbed. So I've watched this and learned so many words. And the first YouTube video is, I forgot it. My memory is not that good. Do things that you love to do. Language is something that you learn for a lifetime. It's not like other things you learn for a limited time. So don't look for shortcuts. Be patient. And most important thing, don't try to suppress your joy. And most important thing, so I hope my story will help you in your own English journey. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video with another exciting English learning lesson and tips. And for more English learning hacks and vocabularies and phrases, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Till then, take care, keep learning, keep shining. Bye bye.